LG Mini Washer, how to replace the front cover. These tools are required. Remove 2 screws. Follow the same procedure on the other side. Do not forget to unplug the drain hose. Put it back as shown or drain the remaining water with a bowl. Gently take off the front cover. Unplug the display connector. Do not forget to take off the key with the red cord. Assemble the front cover. First, put back the key. Put the cord back in its holder. Plug in the connector and properly put it in its original position. Pull out the drawer and put back the front cover. While holding the front cover against the drawer with one hand, attach 1 screw. Mount 2 screws on the right side and 2 on the left side. Do not forget to firmly attach the drain hose again.